Hello, this is Janne. Next, we will going to cover presbyopia and the working class. Because of the aging, the seeing to the shorter distance starts to go a bit more harder, and that is normal. It's like a gray hair or wrinkles at the face. People tend to get those in the long run, and that is normal. In presbyopia, when the eye lenses start to go stiffer and you need to zoom to the closer distance, then you are not able to see the text quite clearly. And when you run into the situation when you need the arm's length to the object or more to see it clearly, then you need to visit the optometrist. You need to make sure that environment where you are working is fully lightened and the stuff what you are using are easily adjustable and comfortable for you. Think about yourself in the situation when you are not able to see the object clearly. You will need to do the double checking all the time, or you are start pushing your face towards the screen. That's the stuff what we don't want to have. What are the work classes? If there is a clear risk factors concerning about the work, for example liquids, then the company needs to provide working classes for the worker. They could be, for example, prescription safety classes for the electrician at the work site, or in safety classes in factory environment. Office classes are typically meant to be used in office work, and there is a limit how much the company is willing to pay for the frames and for the glasses. When you get these working glasses, everything is HD quality. You don't need to be double checking the numbers or digits. You see everything clearly. So after that you are like a beast. If you like this kind of content, what includes ergonomics, well-being at the work or health, you can always comment down below, press thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.